Here we go again. Well then, another welcome to another edition of Rupert'S Property Show, provided to you by Quality Homes Costa Calida. And, well, we're here today in a, how shall I say, a blank canvas villa. It's a Villa Jana. You maybe know the type. We will see now the inside, which has been purchased some month ago, to say, and then the owner decided to sell again because he got married and moved up the coast. So we have here a brand new Villa Jana on Condado De Alhama Golf Resort, which is pretty well located here at the outer ring fence, so there is no neighbor, and we have a fantastic view towards the Sierra de Carrascoy, through the lemon groves, so pretty good location. Sunwise as well, as you can see. It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon and we're just enjoying here the sundown. Well, yeah, will take some time. It's actually 24 degrees today. It's a beautiful day all day long. And we are here in a two bathroom villa on Condado De Alhama Golf Resort. It's the reference 3824 on qualityhomescostacalida.com. And as I said, it's more or less a blank canvas. It's basically furnished, but not really a big deal. But on the other side, it leaves all this room to put maybe your stamp on it. And I'm just walking into the living room here, and I'm just turning around once. All you see is what you get today, as always, except the listing agent. And the nice thing here is that this living room has a massive high ceiling. I would say it's nearly 4 meters, maybe 380 or something. It's impressive. And this gives obviously a total different feeling than maybe also many of the new build villas on site, because they are maybe not of the same design and not of the same layout. So we have here a central living room from where we have access now to the master bedroom, which I will show you now. Loads of cupboard space, as you can see. All this entire face here is cupboards. The furnishing, as I said, well, it's what it is. It's pretty basic, but it shows at least what the room size and what you can do with it. The bathroom has been refurbished with a beautiful brand new mirror, and this mirror has a wonderful feature here. Now the light should go on. Hello. Yes, it's working. Yes, so the light's going on. Happy days. Apart from that, we have a shower. We have a bathtub in here and all other necessary mod cons for a bathroom. But as I said, it's a blank canvas. Air conditioned in the bedrooms as well as in the living room. Here we go. Brand new units, just been fitted. It's Mitsubishi Electronic. They're really good. I have the same one at home, and they're really good. Apart from that, well, furnishing is basic, I would say, but it shows at least how it could look like. Second bedroom, again, massive fitted wardrobes. Again, air conditioning in here. So that's really an asset. So, in my opinion, the most important investment has been made, and as of now, it's up to you to maybe put your own stamp on it. Second bathroom. In this case, the owner has changed the bathtub to a walk-in shower, which is pretty nicely done with a massive glass screen here. So, and it's also wider. It's a 70 centimeter, not 60. So it really makes a difference, and you can swing a small cat in there. We have again this wonderful mirror here. I will not try it out again. I just did it in the other one. And now the centerpiece of this house is obviously the kitchen, which is also, well, the ones who know the apartments here on site will say, wow, that's a big kitchen. Yes, it is. It's central here between the two bedrooms, and as well, what's quite handy is that you can just look through into the living room here. So even once you have people invited here, you still can communicate with them, because there is a massive, Anna, how would you call this? This is not a window. What is this?
Hatch.
A hatch? Okay. Every day a new word. There we go. Fitted with dishwasher, with washing machine, obviously, well, oven hob extractor fan, there we go. Even a microwave is here. And then let's have a walk around this beautiful property just to show you a little bit how this looks from the outside. So I hope my internet signal is accompanying me now outside. Oof, that's warm here. Wow. As I said, here it's about 26 to 27 degrees maybe. So that's the villa, how it looks from the other side. I just try to walk a little bit back without losing my internet connection, I hope. There we go. That's Villa Jana 17 here on Condado De Alhama Golf Resort. It's reference 3824 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacaleda.com. And the asking price is only 119,900. Why do I say only? Well, when I see the new build prices now going up, and they just put up a new board now that they will build additional villas here, now following on the Villa Jana, just on this side when we start here, down to the Alcazar. So they're asking now 239,000 for a two-bed, two-bathroom villa. And we are selling this one, which is built already, so you can come, feel it, touch it, and move in tomorrow for only 119, which is half the money. So, yes, it's maybe not really new built, but it's still first occupation because nobody has ever lived in here. So I honestly think this is an only price in my opinion. Yeah, because 119 for something where I get I get all of it what the new built villas have as well for half the money. I think it's worthwhile thinking about it. View-wise, well, as I said, we're looking towards the Sierra de Carrascoy. We have the lemon groves there, so it's quite a good location in my opinion. A little bit tucked away in the resort, so you're not really in first line, especially during summer. And as well, it has a nice roof terrace. So hopefully my signal is working well, and I can show you now the roof terrace. In case there is a short interruption, I will be back as soon as possible, but so far it's still working, I hope. Okay, because I need to show you here the roof terrace, because this makes really the deal. Wow. So, there we go. We are now overlooking here, well, obviously Condado De Alhama Golf Resort. There are several Villa Janas around. They're nearly all of them sold now, so there is hardly anyone left, I would say. And this is the roof terrace with views overlooking, again, the lemon groves, again, overlooking to the Sierra de Carrascoy. And that's a nice spot up here. Just a barbecue here. Could be good, could be nice. Okay, so reference 3824 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacaleda.com. My listing team is asking me that I have to mention today that we are in the urgent need of new properties to sell. We have had quite a good season already, but we are running out of properties. So in case you yourself, or maybe somebody who thinks of selling his property here in Condado De Alhama, just drop us a note and my listing team will take care and will do the best to make sure that this sale is going through with the best result for everybody. So, Villa Jana, reference 3824 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacaleda.com. Asking price is only 119,900. Sold as seen, with air condition, with fully fitted kitchen, with all the furnishing we see, which I have to say it's basic. It's not a big deal, but it's basic, just to see what fits in here. But air conditioned units in all rooms, fully fitted kitchen, 2 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, high ceiling in the living room. As I said, it's nearly 4 meters. And, well, and all that for only 119,900. In my opinion, as I said, it's a bargain. And there are not many left of them because they are now all sold. Took us now maybe 6 months to sell them all, but now they're all gone. So, and as I said, it's only half price of the new build. So, 3824, asking 119,900. I would be happy if you just drop me a note on info@qualityhomescostacaleda.com or on Rupert@qualityhomescostacaleda.com, and we will make sure that you will be attended in the best way possible. Well, I think this is a great property, and I think this is an opportunity for somebody thinking of maybe moving to Spain even, because this could be also a residence. This is big enough. There's lots of storage areas. Did I show you the storage cupboard here? Yes, I did. There we go. So, from this point of view, I think it's quite a good option at the moment. And as you know, the resort, with all what's going on with the golf course, with the new clubhouse, with the football pitches, with the over 1,200 new builds, which are all massively above, well, price-wise above what we are selling here, I think the future looks pretty bright for Condado. So I think it's a good moment to invest in one of these villas. Community fees will be around 220 euros per month, including all services provided by the community of owners, including internet, TV access, pools, gardening, security, well, the full Monty you know about. Okay, so thank you very much for watching another edition of Rupert's Property Show. Together with my listing agent Anna today here on site.
I'm not taking my glasses off because I have an eye infection.
Eye infection, oh God. Life is hard in Spain, I know, Yes. So, well, I still think it's a bargain.
Totally, absolutely, and it has so much potential for personalizing, exactly.
No doubt. It's a blank canvas property, but it shows what you can do with it.
Pool here.
This would be nicer, dear,
Enough space here?
Yes, there is enough space, yeah.
Or
yes, there are examples as well already where people have put in a pool.
Some of the neighbors have it, so
exactly.
we can show you examples also.
Yeah, so this wouldn't be a problem, eh? And it's just nice over here. I also love that it's tranquil here. It's
this is really inviting for a siesta.
This is inviting for a siesta, but there is no siesta for estate agents here. No, sorry for that. Okay, so before we are chatting away here, we're talking about siesta and all that. Enjoy your weekend, have fun. As I said, as reference 3824 on our dedicated webpage, qualityhomescostacalida.com. Asking price only 119,900, and what you see is what you get. Happy days. Thank you very much for watching my show again, and enjoy your weekend. Stay safe, have fun. Bye.